to the bathroom first. Go.
Put it in your pocket first.
Put it in your pocket.
Big ass. 3, 4,
5, 6.
Ah, you lost!
Why? That's pretty good.
Oh no, wait.
That was my purple vision. I was looking ahead.
Oh, you took purple. Again.
She said you lost.
Okay, so then I'll start. Ready, set, go. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10.
Ah!
You know what? To make it easier, why don't we just go?
No, Jay, that's not
No.
what No, man, we'll still mess up that one.
Ready, whoever lost.
You did.
Oh, yeah. Okay. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
No, 12 is the week.
Yeah, I was
I've had a bad day, and nothing else seems to go my way. I've got a heartache, I cannot hear you. Don't wanna think about it. Every time I try to smile, I'm clapping. I'll keep get out of my way. Don't wanna talk about it.
Oh, breakdance. Breakdance. Oh.
Nice.
Whoa.
You see that?
Definitely didn't get that from me. Hey, Dre.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you sure?
no. Ikaw na lang magbili. Ikaw na lang magbili.
That's a lot of moolah.
Hey!
She's gonna cry.
Yeah, you gotta do High School Musical.
Right first? Oh my god, I've been going left this whole time.
Like that?
Who cares? Left or right?
You gotta sing with it.
Let's put the music on.
Yeah, there, okay.
What the hell is this?
I'm going back to my room.
What's your things? Come up here.
Yeah, you suck at dancing. That's got no style.
Oh, left.
It's totally freaky.
No, it looks
Aren't you totally freaky, Kate? You guys are so crazy. Oh my gosh.
Okay. No, it goes brown past everywhere.
How do you get that?
What is that squeak?
You're like...
What's the difference?
Oh, that hurts.
What's the difference?
I'll teach you now. I want to learn. Catherine, what the hell is that? No, here. Okay, I'm learning also. Everything else comes.
Okay.
I know that one. Abby, do you know the hard part?
Come here.
When the guy does it,
Nico. Nico.
Sharpay does it, you're like that. You're like,
Yeah.
There's right here.
don't get the bottom. Don't get the bottom.
Are you guys getting tired?
Oh my God.
Where were we?
See you next Friday.
Yes, see ya. Bye. Love. Love. Oh, I'm a mime. But I
I want to watch that movie now.
I'm a mime. Blah, 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 blah. Show your tongue. Show your tongue. Good. I got it. Go like this. Show them you can curl your tongue. Like this. You know how to curl it. When I listen to the radio, I'm like, who's singing? I don't even know anymore. How do you do your dance? I'm doing,